With Syncfusion, we started to rethink some of the traditional paradigms of how we would solve certain problems. I think for us, we're doing several things, both internal and external, for launching a new application. This gives us a framework to where our team can really work on solving the problem rather than trying to build a tool to solve the problem. The tool is there. Now it's about taking that with our domain expertise into manufacturing, for example, and we spend time working on the problem rather than the process of how to get there. It's speed, it's simplicity, it's about my team getting back to spending their time on the true value, which is solving the problem. The thing is sometimes when you have the ultimate toolkit, it just lets your creativity run wild. So now we're spending time, we're doing several things on an R&D front. We're looking at different ways to visualize data that sometimes real things like a machine, and sometimes it's intangible. I would just say in summary, for folks that are looking to go down this road, when we did the evaluation, I looked at a number of companies. I've been doing this a long time. There's a lot of analytic players out there, traditional BIs and other things. If you're really looking to have something that's got your own brand and your own company identity and your, what I call special sauce, if you're looking for that, then you really need to take a very hard look at Syncfusion, because your team's not going to be limited. Like I said, whether you're technical in nature and you want a JavaScript up, great. If you're non-technical and you need a designer to do drag and drop to be successful with your analytics and your reporting journey, then all that's there. A lot of companies have very complicated structures, everything from their pricing of what you can and what you can't do. There again, Syncfusion was really easy to do business with. There's no walls, nothing's hidden, no little black box to where you can't go past this, and they're continuing to innovate and drive the product forward. You really have everything you need to be successful.